to 9, and I can tell you that 2 of those people who died actually passed away right here behind me in this home. You see that gaping hole.
Issuing a flash flood emergency for all 5 boroughs of New York City.
Do you have any knowledge of flooding in Manhattan that is still visible?
No, I don't know.
It's, I mean, it looks dry.
Yeah, it looks like it's a lot better now. If I had a guess by the end of the day.
Were you out yesterday?
No.
Good day, officer.
How are you, boss?
Hey, I'm all right. Do you have any knowledge of flooding in Manhattan that is still visible today?
I'm trying to think. The FDR, I think they cleared up. I don't know if there's anything uptown. That I'm not sure yet.
This
Like
neighborhood?
up around here? No, I don't think so.
FDR, what street should I look?
FDR had flooding further up north, but I want to say they cleared that up. I know on the upper west side, as of this morning, I saw on the news that they still had it. But I'm talking like if you take, it was like 10th Avenue, go up to like 130th or so.
Uptown.
Yeah, uptown.
No like subway stations or anything that you know of?
No. Even if there was, I think, from what I understand, not that they told us, but I think everything's closed off right now. So nobody's going down there unless the MK workers to clear out the debris. I don't know. Honestly,
dry, right?
it's weird because you can't even look at your phone and see what's closed and what's not because they're all off too on the information. So it's kind of caught everyone with their pants down. Nobody expected it to be this bad.
So phone, I don't have a phone, so.
Yeah, just really, even with the phone, I'm saying, you can't really look it up because they're not saying anything.
Oh, I see.
They haven't told us anything either. The only place I can think of, it's either going to be all the way uptown, possibly all the way downtown towards like where the Staten Island ferry is, around that area, because that's on the lower level in Manhattan. That's the only thing I can think of. Everywhere else up here in Midtown, I haven't really seen or heard anything. So
It's beautiful.
big difference from yesterday, right?
Have a good one.
You too, take care.
Excuse me, officer. Do you know of any subway station that is still flooded from yesterday?
Of any that are still flooded?
Yeah. Something visual.
The worst station was 28th and 7th. If any station is still flooded, it's got to be that one.
28 and
That's
7.
all. That's because that one was really, really bad.
Okay.
So maybe it still is. That's all I can tell you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Do you know where has any visible signs of flooding?
Where do you have signs?
Visible, like where I could photograph? Like,
I have idea.
so this was the worst subway station?
It was one of the another one is working. 6 and the Broadway.
6 on Broadway.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Thank-
how the guy coming. Oh, the train running the 6 and the Broadway. I can't testify for you. The guy tell me.
The 6th Avenue on Broadway.
Broadway.
Oh, where?
And in between one, I think it's in the corner. Okay.
Thank you. Did you see any flooding inside there?
No.
Yeah, I got 5 signals. So that's that. 24 hours.
And if it's
Excuse me. Have you seen any flooding inside there? No. Is the station getting opened?
Yes.
No more flooding?
they fix it.
How bad was it yesterday?
Very bad.
Really?
Not pain.
But it's all good now?
Yeah, it looks like they fixed it. Yeah, they took out the whole water.
Say again?
They took out the whole water.
Ah, okay.
Is it really flooded?
That's what I heard, but I haven't seen it.
I'm gonna go check.
Traffic problems? I'll get off your shot, just tell me. Yeah. Excuse me, is there any flooding, any signs of flooding in there? Thank you. Hey man, do you know anywhere that has visible signs of flooding today?
In
pretty much all went down already. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a subway station on 28th and 7th, and it's open again.
It's open. Yeah, like
I forgot downtown.
it stopped like at 3 in the morning. So after that, pretty much everything went down already. So unless I feel like you go to Staten Island, you don't want to get shots of that. Yeah.
Staten Island is bad?
Probably still. Probably, I'm not sure.
All right, thank you.
I was telling my friend he's going out of town. Good luck. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is there any sign of flooding inside there?
Trains not that I've seen yet. But the trains are moving.
Half hour, so I don't know if
No, I don't want to go. I just want to record it.
I haven't seen any flooding, no.
It just disappeared.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Te l'ho visto no.
Excuse me. Is there any sign of flooding down there?
Is that what?
Flooding.
No.
Do you see any flooding? Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Do you know where there's any flooding, visible signs of flooding still?
not down here. It's mainly up in like the Bronx and the outer boroughs.
All right.
Down here is pretty clear.
Yeah, I came from up there. Nothing.
Try.
Not always flood. If there's a little drizzle, they flood.
I know the Bronx got the worst of it.
I haven't been up to the Bronx. I've been up to like Harlem. All right. Thank you. Excuse me. Have you seen any sign of flooding down there?
I did not.
No? Thank you.
Moments ago, I was on the phone with the White House. President Biden called, offered any assistance. He repeated any assistance that the state of New York needs. I told him we'll take him up on that.
We will fight and make New York declared a disaster area. Spoken to the White House as well. And that will mean money for homeowners and individuals, money for small businesses that may have been lost, and money to our city, state, and other local governments for the amount of money that they've had to lay out to deal with this crisis.